Okay, today I will describe about it affiliate marketing, how to build and affiliate marketing website step by step. Okay, I will describe in detail. For many people, affiliate marketing sound like the ideal setup. You simply mention a few products here and there, and and then you are making passive money online. The idea is straightforward enough. You include links to products and services and get a small cut when your visitors click on the link or make a purchase after clicking through. This simple setup is why the industry is projected to reach 8.2 billion by 2022. There are many categories: health, wellness, and fitness, technology, gaming, finance, travel, pet care, fashion, and beauty. Find an affiliate program best suited to you. It's a good idea to look at the kinds of affiliate products and program in your planned niche before you start learning how to build an affiliate marketing website. Okay, there are two different ways to find affiliates: through one-off affiliate programs and affiliate networks. When you work with one particular brand, you usually do so through their affiliate program. Each affiliate program may have different terms and payouts.